Hey family, welcome to Ohana House. In this video, I'm going to show you how we transform this Ikea bookshelf into a nice modern credenza. Stay tuned. We start off by prepping the wood that we are transforming into doors for the front of the credenza. We got pieces of wood cut to the measurements from Home Depot, but we also had to make a few adjustments when we got home. So we're using our saw to do that, and also we're sanding the wood to smooth it out as well. I got the idea for the door design from a high-end credenza that I saw a photo of. I thought through the measurements that I thought would be appropriate to get a similar look, and so we make sure to cut all of our trim pieces to scale and at a 45-degree angle where the trim pieces will meet. I spaced the trim pieces 2 inches apart to get the look that I was going for. I secured the trim pieces with wood glue, and I also went back in with wood filler to fill in any gaps so that it would be a smooth transition between pieces as well. Now on to the paint. So we actually wanted to paint this using our paint sprayer, but it was giving us a lot of trouble this day. So we decided to roll it instead, which ended up being a lot faster. So here we are rolling the paint. The color that we use is Pewter Green by Sherwin-Williams. So I already painted the first coat on the doors the other day. So I'm about to go in on this door. Actually, I only painted the first coat on this door. I didn't start on the second door. So I'm going to go in and put another coat of paint on this door, and then I'm going to get started on that door as well. So we're putting some finishing touches on the paint before we start putting everything together. Now on to the hardware. I purchased these oversized cabinet pulls from Amazon. I wanted some nice big chunky ones to match the size of the door so that it would be the proper scale for the door sizes. So I'll leave a link to those in the description box below. I also purchased legs for this credenza because I thought that it would look a lot better if we just gave it a little elevation. So I also purchased these legs from Amazon as well and painted them pewter green. So we forgot to film us attaching the doors to the credenza, but we just bought some hinges from Amazon as well to attach the doors. We also bought a thin piece of plywood and Brad nailed it to the back in order to have a back for the credenza as well. And here is how it turns out. This is a part of our office series, so stay tuned for more content on the decor and furnishings for our new two-person office. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel below, give this video a like if you like it, and leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you think. And until next time, love Star.